Is it really possible to shape, strengthen, tighten, lift, and tone a yoga booty right from home without any need for gym memberships, exercise bands, or any workout equipment whatsoever? Sure it is. And today, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Zoe Bray-Cotton, internationally certified personal trainer, yoga fitness instructor, and female transformation specialist. And today I'm going to show you a totally unique 3-step method you can use right from home to help build and sculpt the all-coveted yoga booty while getting an efficient calorie-burning, metabolism-boosting workout in at the same time. I really think you're going to love this. As you'll see, this 3-step prime, activate, and pump method is part of a little 15-minute routine that you can also use to help experience the health benefits, stress relief, metabolism boost, and all-day energy that an excellent workout can deliver. This fun and downright addictive booty sculpting routine can be absolutely perfect for women of all ages who are tight on time, because it just takes 15 short minutes, and you can do it right from the comfort of your own home whenever you feel like it. Just like the many hundreds of women who are already using it after watching this video and hitting me up every day to share their experience. I must admit, your feedback truly does mean the world to me, and it's what motivates me to share this video with more and more women around the world each day. And I'm so incredibly excited to walk you through exactly how you can use this prime, activate, and pump booty blasting method for yourself, because I really think you're gonna love the way it makes you feel, along with the results you see in the mirror.